everybody, my voice is back. I'm so happy to have my voice back. How are you doing? I pray that this video is reaching you all in great health and strength. And if you are in a cold state, if you are in the States or in Canada or in England, wherever it's cold, I hope you're staying warm. Today is Sunday, March 10th, and I have been craving, well, not craving, but I have been longing for bake and SaltFish. So this is what this video is going to be about. I'm going to make some bake and SaltFish. I pray that this comes out really well. I've been up fairly early. I was out with a friend taking care of some business with her, and I just came in. I've been on the road since I left the house like 7:30 something, and the time is now 1:48, so I'm sleepy, but I gotta go make this bake. My mommy's not feeling well. She got the flu, but she's getting better. I don't know about you, but I eat SaltFish in a long time. I eat some good bake in a long time, so I'm about to go do this. I found a recipe online that I will be following. I will post that recipe down below if you are interested in trying out this recipe as well. Let's get into the video. What I picked up some sweet tamper, some tamper. I'm gonna add 3 cups of flour into this bowl. Now I'm adding a teaspoon of baking powder, and I got this from Walmart. This is a 1/3 cup. I'm using white sugar. Using blue bonnet. I'm using my hands to just mix everything together. Oh, I gotta add salt. Forgot salt. Salt. Now I'm gonna add a cup of water and just mix everything. So that's what it looks like, and I'm going to cover it down for half an hour and let it raise a bit. So I will go cut up the stuff for this SaltFish now. And the SaltFish that I'm using right here, I'm using 1 pack. I have 2 packs. So I'm gonna cook this 1 pack. So this is what my baked dough is looking like. I'm gonna put it on here and cut it, but I do not have a cookie cutter as was requested to have from the recipe, but I'm gonna use a glass mold. So let's do this. I'm gonna put my oil in here. Batch of baked floats looking nice and brown and crispy. That's the second batch right there. Whoa, this look good. Guys, so I've finally finished making the bacon saltfish and it came out so good. I was a little worried, but my mom was here to help me, of course. Thank God for moms. And I'm just going to show you the end product. I'm going to show you some bake with the saltfish separated and bake with the saltfish inside the bake. brings me to the end of this video. I do hope that you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it, and I will be making float a lot more often now. The recipe is pretty easy. If you want to try the recipe that I used, I will be sure to list it in the description box. Don't forget to check that out, and let me know what you thought about this video and if you will try it out. And if you do, let me know how it tasted and how it came out. All right guys, enjoy the rest of your day or evening depending on when you're watching this. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It will be really helpful, and watch this video and share this video. Okay, all right guys, I'll see you soon. Take care until we see each other again. God bless you, and give your life to Jesus. Bye.